Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this cartoon logo. This is probably the easiest way I have ever made a logo on my channel. So if you are interested in watching this video, make sure you keep watching this video to the end. So the app that I'm using today is this pretty trendy app. I'm pretty sure y'all saw it on y'all social media already, and it is called Voila AI Artist. The other apps that I'll be using in this video is the PicArt app and also Superimpose to erase the background. You can also erase the background in PicArt if you don't have Superimpose. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and have the notifications turned on so you don't miss when I upload videos. And let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing you want to do is open the Voila app, and then you're going to select the type of cartoon photo that you want. You can choose any of these 4 options, and then you're going to select the photo that you want to use. It's going to take a minute to generate. You're also going to have to watch ads. I did cut the ads out of this video, but if you don't have the paid version, you'll have to watch ads every now and again when you save and when you use a different image. And then it pops up with these 4 options. So you're going to pretty much select the one that you like the most. And I like that first one right here the most. And what you're going to do, you're not going to save this image. What you're going to do is screenshot this image, and then you're going to crop the image. If you save it, it's going to leave a watermark, or it's going to have like your image at the bottom of the screen, which we do not want because we're going to be erasing the background here in just a second. So what I'm doing now is just cropping it down to the size, just so there's no other stuff basically in the background. So now I'm using the Superimpose app to erase the background. So what you're going to do is click on the Superimpose app, click the plus sign at the bottom of the screen, select the image that you want. Now that I have the image pulled up, you're going to click on Mask, and then click on Tools, and then you click the little one with the wand with the like stars around it, because that'll automatically erase the entire white background. You can also like adjust the edge if you want it to be softer. You can add like a border around it. I really didn't want like a border. I just wanted the edge to just be a little bit softer. And like I said, you can also erase the background in PicArt. You do not have to get Superimpose because it do cost for Superimpose X. But now you're going to save the image once you erase the background. And now we're going to be moving over to open the PicArt app. Once you have the PicArt app open, what you're going to do is click the plus sign at the bottom of the screen, and then you're going to scroll down to where it says drawing, and then you're going to create a blank canvas or like a blank drawing with a white background. You can actually adjust the size, but we just need a basic square for this because we're going to be doing a little bit more editing here in a second. So what you're going to do is add the image that you want by clicking on like the plus like image sign at the bottom. And then you're going to click the arrow at the right top of the screen, but you're not going to save it. What you're going to do is click on edit image. And once you click on that, what it's going to do is pull up all these other edit options, and then you're going to click on tools, and then you're going to click on shape crop, and you can choose any shape that you want. I personally love circle shape, so that's what I'm using here. And I'm pretty much just cropping out where that harsh line is at the bottom, and I'm pretty much just, you know, circling out my image. Also, if you want a plain white background behind your image the same as I do, you don't have to erase the background like I did in Superimpose X. The reason I show this step is for people who want to have a colored background, because you can change the background when you're creating the drawing. You can make it into a different color. So that's why I showed that step, if that makes sense. But what you're going to do now is click on the arrow, and then it's going to pull it up like this with a transparent background. You can also add a border. You can change it to any of those colors down there at the bottom of the screen. But what I'm going to do is pretty much go to save, and then I'm going to add a border where it says fit at the bottom of the screen. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to select a color that I want. You can also add an image background if you want to. You can pretty much add any type of background that you want at this step. But what I did was chose the background that I feel like matched, like, you know, the vibes of my logo or whatever. And once that is done, what you're going to do is hit apply. And then once you hit apply, what you can do is add all type of stickers and all type of like cutouts and stuff like that. So what I'm doing now is searching for a circle sticker. You can pretty much use this endless options. I do have PicArt. I think it's the Pro version is what it's called. So I have different options. If you don't have the Pro version, you'll just have to use one of the circle cutouts, or whatever shape that you're using. You'll have to use one of the free version. And of course, you can pretty much do anything after this. You can add any type of sticker that you want, customize it to your liking. But that pretty much wraps up this entire video, y'all. Like I said, this is the easiest cartoon logo that I have ever made. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure you leave some comments down below of any other videos y'all want to see from me. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel with the notifications turned on, so you, of course, you don't miss when I upload videos. And I will see y'all in my next one. Thanks so much for watching.